Hello, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the neutral safety switch on my 1997 XJ. Let's get right to it. The neutral safety switch is located on the passenger side, right on the transmission. It's behind the exhaust and that transmission line right here. There's a few tricks to getting it off, which we'll get to. And then the wiring for it runs up here into the engine bay. Right back here, it's this gray plug. Now the symptoms I was having with my bad neutral safety switch, sometimes I would get a complete no start, no turnover of the engine or anything. But then if I would wiggle the shifter here or put it into neutral, sometimes then it would start. It's a classic symptom of the neutral safety switch going out. Now I did have this vehicle at the shop recently to help diagnose some other issues, and they did give me an estimate for the neutral safety switch, $775 for them to do this. That is a ton of money that I'm gonna save by doing this project myself that I can invest in other tools or new projects or things. I'll include a link in the video description below of the neutral safety switch that I'm going to use. Check out that link, order your neutral safety switch, get it on the way and replace it yourself. Save a ton of money. Now first, there's a 12mm bolt on the top here that we got to remove. And then a 22mm bolt here we have to remove, but there's some little locking fingers on it that we got to bend back. Let me show you those on the new one real quick. So there's these little tabs here that get bent down onto the nut there that kind of locks it in place. You just got to bend these little fingers, these little tabs back so that you can get that nut off. But we're not going to take that nut all the way off. You want to back it off like 3/4 of the way because we're actually going to use that nut to kind of help pry it off of the little shaft that it's on. All right, I got the little fingers bent back and the nut mostly undone. We're going to leave it on there a little bit because this whole thing can be just kind of stuck on there. It can be kind of fused to the shaft that goes into the transmission there. So we're actually going to just get a screwdriver or something behind here, kind of pry on it. This one's actually coming off fairly easily. You can see it sliding back there. That's a little trick though to get it off. If you're having trouble, leave the bolt on there, use it to kind of pry off. But this one's gonna come off pretty smooth. Take this bolt the rest of the way off and it's not stuck on there too bad. Now that we have the neutral safety switch off that shaft, there's two zip ties. Well, they're reusable zip ties. One's up on top of the transmission there and one farther up than that. And you just need to undo those two zip ties to get this the rest of the way out. All right, got the first little zip tie off, and this is what I mean by reusable. There's a little tab here. If you pull that tab back, it'll just open up, and then you can reuse it. All right, we got those zip ties off. The neutral safety switch is hanging free right in front of the starter there. We'll go up top and unplug it. And its plug is this gray one right here. We're just gonna push down on this little tab right here and pull it apart. And we'll drop the new one down in there. When I plug this back in, I'm actually gonna put a little dielectric grease on the terminals there just to prevent any corrosion. All right, new neutral safety switch is hanging down right there. So back up to this little shaft here that the neutral safety switch slides onto. We need to clean this up real good. Little Scotch-Brite pad. If it's rusty, you just want to make sure that the new one slides on pretty nicely because it does get corroded. Then we're going to put a little bit of anti-seize on here just because this is a common area that just kind of gets rusted on and fused, and we don't want that. All right, we got that shaft on the transmission cleaned up as best we could. Now we can slide on our new neutral safety switch. We want to be sure it slides on all the way, and then we can tighten this bolt down and lock those little fingers back down. This 12mm up here, it's kind of oblong shaped, and that's to provide you a little bit of play so that you can make sure your shifter is where it needs to be. With it in park without the button pushed, you need to kind of be able to move it around a little bit and make sure that it'll start with just a little bit of play in your shifter. If not, like if you have it push forward, you might have to rotate this neutral safety switch a little bit and then kind of lock it down in that sweet spot. Mine was pretty much right in the middle, so that's where I'm going to put it back, and that should be good. All right, we've got this bolt tightened down with the little tabs bent over. The top bolt there, you can put a little bit of Loctite on that if you'd like as well. You don't want it backing out. All right, everything is buttoned all up. Let's check how it starts. We're in park right now. Let's give it a try. Sweet. So that did the trick. Seems to be running great. Be sure to check out that link in the video description below. Order your neutral safety switch. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.